If I want a patient to get actinium, I typically send them overseas to places like Germany or Turkey or Australia. These are the epicenters for isotope therapy, and they have access to actinium. Right now, for whatever reason, we're using a lot of Turkey because patients are getting in and out very smoothly. And they actually, there's a doctor there who I really like, Dr. Kesban. She is incredibly thoughtful about patients. She's very sensitive. I sense that she thinks about cancer treatment like we do here in my clinic. Yeah. And she is administering actinium, and she also administers lutetium to patients that don't qualify per FDA regulations in the United States. And they really like Turkey. They say that Istanbul is much more interesting than Rochester, Minnesota. I have no idea why.
How's that possible?
I mean, we were the gateway to the north. Istanbul was the gateway between Europe and Asia. You know, I mean, how could it be more possible that, but they say that the care is outstanding at their facility. And I have no shame in saying that it's a Johns Hopkins sponsored hospital, and it's JACO approved. And it's a very, very good place to get treatment. So it's a really good place. The only reason I'm bringing this up is she's provided incredible care of my patients, and I have not seen the level of professionalism and responsiveness from many different physician groups, including U.S., that I've seen come out of Turkey. It's just shocking. They must stay up all night. They have English interpreters. They have handlers. They have people that respectfully review medical cases. They assist with everything. And I've written long introductions, and I've gotten responses back in 20 minutes. They're very patient care oriented, and I think that they basic